Today we talk about how can you disable new Copier updates notifications on your eToro app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notifications. Then you just come to next step here, click here on copy trader here. You just click on it. So then you come here to new copy updates. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here new copy updates notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.